In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects lag. If your previews are choppy or your timeline feels sluggish, follow along and we'll tune your settings for smoother editing without changing your creative workflow. Start by opening After Effects and making sure you're looking at your active composition. In the composition viewer, change the resolution from full down to half or even quarter. This lowers the preview pixel count, which dramatically reduces the load on your CPU and GPU while you work. You can always switch back to full quality for final checks and rendering. Next, click the lightning bolt icon in the composition viewer to open Fast Preview and choose Fast Draft. Fast Draft temporarily skips heavy effects like blurs and certain 3D features during playback. It's perfect for layout and timing checks. Then you can turn it off when you're ready to review final quality. Head to the preview panel and set skip to 1 or 2. This tells After Effects to skip every other frame or 2 out of 3 during preview. You'll still see motion accurately enough to judge timing, but playback will be noticeably smoother on complex comps. When you only need to focus on a specific moment, set the work area to a smaller section of the timeline. Press B to set the start and N to set the end at your playhead. Previewing shorter ranges means faster caching and less waiting between iterations. If things still feel sticky, free up resources, go to Edit, Purge, then All Memory and Disk Cache. This clears cached frames and temporary files so After Effects can rebuild previews cleanly. While we're here, let's optimize where those cache files live. Go to Preferences, Media and Disk Cache and set the disk cache folder to your fastest internal SSD. A quick drive makes a huge difference when caching frames and reading them back during previews. Next, open Preferences, Memory and Performance, and make sure Enable Multi-Frame Rendering is checked. This allows After Effects to render multiple frames in parallel, taking advantage of all your CPU cores for speedier previews and renders. In that same memory section, reduce RAM reserved for other applications to the lowest practical setting. This allocates more memory to After Effects, helping it cache longer sections and avoid stutters. Finally, go to File, Project Settings, and set the renderer to Mercury GPU acceleration. When supported by your system, this offloads compatible effects to the graphics card and speeds up both previews and final output. Apply these settings, and your timelines should feel much snappier while you work.